Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, Cell Biology. Firstly, talking about the discovery of the cell. All living things are made up of one or more cell. Right now, it means all the living thing is made up of from the single cell or the number of cell or the multiple cell. But the organism required the cell. It means they are made up of from the cell, and all the body processes take place from the cell. Okay, and this term cell was firstly coined by the scientist, that is Robert Hooke. Okay, after that, after the Robert, this is the diagram shows that here this microscope used to identify the cell, and this microscope used by the Hooke scientist. Okay, then this is the modern light microscope. Here observe the cell under the light microscope, then observe this light under the electron microscope. Okay, and after that the Sheldon scientist observed that, okay, difference in tissue structure, all plant tissue were made up of from the cell. Right now it means Sheldon scientists state that all the plant tissue are made up of from the cell. It means Robert Hooke firstly study about the cell is the smallest unit of life, right now, or they discover the term cell, right? Then Sheldon state that all the plant tissue are made up of from the cell. Okay, then next one scientist, that is zoologist, that is Chavan scientist. He observed that the fundamental cellular unit of the cell, it means is composed of the animals were also composed of the fundamental cellular unit of cell. Okay, and Chavan proposed first two principles of cell theory. First one, all organisms consist of one or more cell. It means the zoologist discovered that all the organisms are made up of from the one, it means single or multiple cell. And second one principle is that, or theory, the cell is the structural unit of life. Right now, then Sheldon and Chavan, it means zoologists and botanists, view of cell origin was less insightful, that is cell could arises from the non-cellular material. Okay, then going toward the next one, a scientist, physician Virchow, demonstrate that living cell could arises only from the other living cell. It means biogenesis, not from the abiogenesis. Right now, it means living thing or the cell arises from the biogenesis or the living cell. This is all about the discovery of the cell. The cell have the different type of the work carried out, research work carried out. Then going toward the cell definition. The very simple definition of the cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of life that is responsible for all of life processes. Right now, it means cell is a very smallest basic unit of life. Okay, and this cell is responsible for all life processes. Okay, each cell contain fluid material called as the cytoplasm. It means all cell, single cell or the multiple cell, all cell or each cell have the fluid material present, and this fluid material is called as the cytoplasm, and this cytoplasm which is enclosed by the membrane. Okay, and you know that this membrane is called as the plasma membrane, also present in the cytoplasm. Okay, in the cytoplasm, all the different material present here, like proteins, nucleic acid, lipid, okay, all this material present in the cytoplasm, okay, and in the number of cells, different type of the organelle present, okay. Then a cell is a structural and functional or the fundamental unit of life. The study of cell from its basic structure, okay, and of every cell organelle is called as the cell biology. And who was the first biology that discovered cell, right? This is about their definition of the cell. Then cell diversity, cells are found in different organism, all organism, and each organism its special cell depending on its species. Right now, it means in cell also different type of the shape and size also present. Okay, each cell have the different size and different shape present here. Okay, then cell shape. Cell have the different shape due to the appropriate function. Okay, and these all different type of the shape present here. Okay, these all are about the shape of the different type of the organism. For example, egg cell have shape which is like a spear. Some bacteria are rod shape. Some plants are the rectangular shape. Okay, different cells have the different type of the shape present. Then cell size. As like that of the cell shape, cell size also variable. All living thing cells are different in shape and size. Some cell can be seen without using magnification instrument as they enough to be seen in size. One example is that neuron cell of giraffe which is 2 meter in length. Right now, it means all cell have the different size and different shape present. Then going toward the types. Cell have the two different types. First one is the unicellular cell and second one is the multicellular cell. What is meant by the unicellular cell? Unicellular cell means the organism contain only single cell is called as the unicellular cell. And multicellular cell means the organism is made up of from the two or more cells is called as the multicellular cell. And the example here unicellular is also called as the prokaryotic cell and the multicellular cell is also called as the eukaryotic cell. And the prokaryotic cell example is the amoeba, bacteria, yeast, okay, or the protozoans. And the multicellular cell of the example is the plant cell, animal cell. Okay. Firstly, going toward the prokaryotic cell, it means the organism is made up of from the prokaryotic cell. Example is the bacteria, yeast, protozoans. Okay. Here the diagram shows that the bacterial cell diagram present here and they have the different part present here. That is the cell wall, ribosomes, polyribosomes present here. Then the 35 and 50 subunit of ribosomes present here, flagella present, cytoplasm, nucleoid material or chromosomes present in this diagram. Right now it means different part present here. Right now from the cell wall, then the cytoplasmic material, then the nucleic acid material, ribosomes material. Okay, this is the diagram of the bacterial cell. Then going toward the function and part of the prokaryotic cell, first one is the cell wall. Okay, from a protective outer layer that prevent damage from outside. It means protect the cell from the different type of the injury. This is the first one function of the cell wall. Right now, then next one part, that is the plasma membrane. After the cell wall, next one membrane is the plasma membrane. What is the function of plasma membrane? Control the transfer of substances in and out of the cell. Which material in or which material out from the cell? This is the very important function of the plasma membrane. Then third one part, going toward the third one part, cytoplasm. Cytoplasm contain enzyme that catalyze the chemical reaction of metabolism, right? And the cytoplasm is the fluid material present here, okay? And in this cytoplasm, different type of the activity carried out, okay? In this cytoplasm also the genetic material present here, okay? And very important to differentiate between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, the genetic material freely present into the cytoplasm, right? But in eukaryotic cell, genetic material have the envelope present here. But here in prokaryotic cell, genetic material absent. Nuclear envelope absent here. Okay, it means genetic material freely present in the cytoplasm. But in this prokaryotic cell, it means that all the vital activities also carried out in the cytoplasm and the genetic material also present in the cytoplasm. Then the going toward the pili. What is meant the pili? For the adhesion, allowing bacteria to colonize environmental surface of cell, that time pili use here. Okay, some bacteria can provide it a special pillars called as a conjugation or the sex pillars. It means this pili is also called as a single, that is pilus, okay, and they're used in the conjugation purpose. Then going toward the flagella, okay, this is a whip-like structure, okay, and the function of the flagella is the locomotion, that is swimming, okay. Then going toward the next one part, that is the ribosome, okay, two subunit present here, okay, and the ribosome function is the protein synthesis. Then the next one very important part, that is the chromosome, okay, store the genetic information that control the cell and pass on to the daughter cell. Okay, this is the very important function of the DNA or the chromosome. Then mesosome, the folding present on the plasma membrane. Okay, this is called as the mesosome and the function is the respiration or the movement of the DNA. Then going toward the plasmid. Plasmid is a circular ring of neck DNA, extra genetic material. Okay. Then the slime capsule present here. Then the photosynthetic membrane present here. Okay. This is all about the prokaryotic cell. Okay. Then prokaryotes are commonly called as bacteria right now, and they have the different type of the metabolic activity carried out with the help of photosynthesis also, nitrogen fixation also, and the fermentation also. It means their metabolic activity carried out by the different thing here present here. First one is the photosynthesis. It means some bacteria metabolic activity take place with the help of photosynthesis. Some of the bacteria photosynthesis take place by the nitrogen fixation. Some have the fermentation present. Okay. Then a reproduction. The reproduction take place through by the binary fission in prokaryotes. Okay. It means two new daughter cells are clones of the original cell. It means the identical two daughter cells form here. Okay. This is called as the binary fission. Okay. Thank you very much.